All right, we're going bullish. Here's the day chart top left. Here's the all-time highs. And this is what it's doing today. This market just opened up Sunday evening, and it came down, touched the close of the previous day, reversed, and started going up. Now, I took a lot of trades, though. I'm long, but I took a lot of trades because I was eager. Here's what happened when it opened up. When it first opened up, it came down, went right back up over the top of the previous day's high and closed, and I got long because I thought it was going to keep going. But it came down and stopped me out. I stopped. No, I actually got out because the next bar closed below, and I got out before my stop loss. So that was a smart thing to do. Then it reversed, and I got long right here. And it went up to 1-to-1 and came down. I broke even on there. I broke even here. I broke even here. This was a 3-bar reversal that I could still be in right now had I not broke even. I got in on a 3-bar reversal here, and it went up, it came down, and I broke even. Got in on this trend line break. It went up to 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and I broke even on that trade. And then I finally got in right here. No, I got in at the top right here. I got it. It just came down, broke me even, started to turn green again. I got back in, and that was a full loss. That was my biggest loss right there. But then it started to break some trend lines, and this trend line break was a double bounce, and it started to consolidate over the moving averages, and I got long. Okay, so I got long. This is my current trade. And right now I'm break even on all my trades, including commissions. And a temptation is to just close my position, make my money back, and break even. And what my goal is now in this level of my trading, thank God, is to just hold my winners. And I'm on break even on this trade, and the day is just beginning. We have a long ways to go before it gets up there. There's nothing in the way, and there's no reason for me to get out of this trade. Even if it comes back and stops me out, which would bite, I've got to stay in this trade. Good, strong momentum. It's a green day. It's over the previous day's level. Lots of good momentum. I just don't want to get stopped out on break even again. I'm already at 1, 2, 3R return, 3X return, and I'm looking for 8, which is still only going to be like right here on this entire move. It's not going to really, I mean, this has the potential to be my biggest win ever. And also the goal of holding my positions as long as I possibly can is something I need to work on. And I should just get that in my mind right now. Hold it, even if it breaks even. I'm on break even. I'm not going to lose anything more than this, and I just need to hold it. So we'll see how this trade plays out, and I'll let you know. Well, I'm getting tired. I'm going to go to bed. I'm up 5R return so far, 5 times risk. And it's really amazing because if you look at this day chart, you can see the high over here that we're shooting for. This thing's barely took off. Is it going to be one of these strong green days and go up? I hope it is. I'm waiting for that experience, to have that happen to me, to hold and have a home run hit. I can't wait to have that happen. It's going to happen eventually if I keep practicing and waiting and holding. Actually, it's never going to happen if I don't hold. The only way it's going to happen is if I hold my trade. I've gone to bed and gotten out of trades before and wish I stayed in. And I'm going to stay in this trade. Got my stop still on break even. And we're just going to let it play out. So let's see what happens in the morning. Okay, how did the night go? Well, we basically broke even on that first trade. Here's all the nighttime stuff. It went up. Thought it was going to keep going. Just basically came down. And when the bell opened, it came down to break even. So that's okay. I got to make this video, even if I'm frustrated, to get over the frustration, because this is part of growing in professional trading. You got to get past the frustration and just be patient. So we got into some more trading over here when the bell opened. I got into a 3-bar reversal that ended up holding for the rest of the day. I got out early because I didn't like the slowness of a half a day President's Day holiday. And I probably would have made back all my money, but I ended up losing about $50. So that's what happened. Key point to take away is that I must have the idea of holding the trade if I'm ever going to be profitable. I want to hold the trades, and if I can break even on it, like I did on that first overnight trade, then I'm going to do it. It just took a while to get in the trade that I needed to get into, and that's how many times did I try to get in before I finally got one right there that went up. And then, should I take a 4 or 5R return when I'm given a 4 or 5R return? Is my goal to hold for the home run hits a good idea? Something I need to think about. I probably could be, I think if I look back and study everything, I definitely would be profitable, even more profitable, if I would hold my trades to get a 2 or 3R return. There's been many times I've gotten out on a half-R return and only to watch it to go to 2 or 3R return. So I might not need to do the whole home run or nothing thing. Just take the 3, 4, 5R returns when you get them. If you happen to get in a trade that's just going and going, then hold it. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. But to try to force every winning trade to be a home run might not be the best idea. But I got to figure that out, and I got to experience it. So nevertheless, we must work this out in our process. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.